So a lot of people use NVDA with Windows Core Voices, and Windows Core Voices, while speaking really clear and have good tone, they often don't speak fast enough for people who are more used to the likes of read with eloquence. We set a much higher rate of speed. So NVDA have recently added a boost feature to its preference menu, which allows us to greatly increase the speed of the vocalizer. So I've set 0 as my insert key for my NVDA key. So I'm going to press insert and N for
NVDA menu.
For the NVDA menu. I press P for preferences.
Settings. S.
I'm going to press S for settings.
NVDA settings. General. Normal configuration. Dialog. Categories. List. General.
So that's brought me to the general settings. And I'm going to down arrow till I get to speech.
Speech 2 of 13.
And I'm going to tab into the synthesizer settings.
Speech property page. Synthesizer grouping. Synthesizer edit read only multi-line Alt plus S. Windows 1 Core Voices.
So I've set to Windows Core Voices at the minute, and I've Microsoft David selected, which is very much like Keith Carradine, the actor's voice. It's very, very similar to it, but I'm going to tab until I get to rate.
Change. Button Alt plus H. Voice. Combo box Microsoft David collapsed Alt plus V. Rate. Slider AD Alt plus R.
Okay, now I'm going to lower the rate considerably before I put on the rate boost, or else it'll be very, very high. So I'm going to
79.
Down arrow through the rate slider.
78. 77. 70. 47. 40. 38.
It's very, very slow at 38. But I'm going to tab to the rate boost checkbox.
Rate boost checkbox not checked Alt plus T.
And I'm going to press spacebar on that to check it.
Space. Check.
Now I'm going to tab away from it.
Pitch. Slider 50 Alt plus P.
As you can see, the David voice, while it's only at 30% now, is speaking extremely fast. I'm going to shift tab back up to rate.
Rate boost checkbox checked Alt plus T. Rate. Slider 38 Alt plus R.
And I'm going to down arrow down to about 10%.
14. 13.
So 10% there is about roughly what 100% of normal speed was before we activated rate boost. So I'll turn it up to about 50 just
14.
to see how fast that'll be.
47. 48. 49. 50.
So that's 50, and I'll tab back down to the rate boost checkbox.
Rate boost checkbox check Alt plus T.
As you can see, it reads quite fast.
Rate. Slider 50 Alt plus R.
And I'll shift tab back up to the voice selector.
Voice. Combo box Microsoft David collapsed Alt plus V.
And I'm going to tab back to rate.
Rate. Slider 50 Alt plus R.
And I'm going to lower the speed back down to about 30.
49. 33. 32. 31.
So as you can see, when that rate boost is activated, it greatly increases the Windows Core Voices speed, which will make it more comfortable for people who want to, navigate much more quickly. And then after that there, I can tab to apply.
Rate boost checkbox, pitch, volume, automatic, punch, trust, include, capital, sig, beep, use, OK button, cancel button, apply button.
And spacebar to...
Space. Press. Categories, list, speech 2 of 13. Speech property page. Categories, apply button. Categories, list, speech 2 of 13.
Okay, and then Alt F4 to close. So that's the speed change. So just to reiterate that, go through that quickly again. I'm going to insert N, P for
settings.
preferences,
S.
and then S for settings.
NVDA settings, general, normal configuration.
Go down arrow to speech.
Speech 2 of 13.
And I'm going to tab until I find the rate slider, and if you haven't turned this on before, I'd lower it to about 37%, 30-ish% before you turn it on.
Speech property, change, voice, combo box, micro, rate, slider 31, Alt plus R.
So that's on 31 there, so
30,
I'll say
20, 27.
I'll turn it to 27, and I'm going to tab the rate boost, which we already turned on.
Rate boost checkbox checked Alt plus T.
I'm going to turn off rate boost now by pressing spacebar.
Space. Not checked.
And you can see how slow David is at that speed. So this will give us the option to, while rate boost is on, that we only need it around 30%, which will be about as quick as it normally would be. And if we want to make it really fast, we can put it up to about 70%. So I'm going to turn it back on with spacebar.
Space. Check.
Shift tab back up to rate.
Rate. Slider 27 Alt plus R.
I'm going to put that up to about 50.
38. 45. 46. 40. 48. 49. 50. 51.
So now it's a 51%.
Rate boost checkbox check Alt plus T.
and it's quite fast. So I could put that to 100, or I could put that to whatever it would be. So I'm just going to tab to apply. And press it. Spacebar.
Press categories.
That's applied again. I can Alt F4. Go back to Windows menu, and then like if I press the Windows key, for example,
Search box blank.
you can see that at 50%, it is now going very fast. So that's just giving you an idea of how Windows Core Voices can go much faster if we turn on the new rate boost feature.
OBS